What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We are going to try to explain to you, well, actually not, we're not going to try it. We are going to explain to you how eip1559 works, and is it really going to make a huge difference on the fees, or is it not? Let's get into it. By the way, guys, if you're new to the Digi Squad, there's a link in the description below. It's got the Telegram chat. Go ahead and join that sucker. We teach you about different altcoin projects, different cryptocurrencies. If you're in the Telegram chat, you guys are going to be updated with everything before it even hits the YouTube. Guys, got to join it. By the way, go ahead and smash up the likes. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell notification and share this video to any and everyone, mommy, poppy, and grandma. She likes this stuff. Grandma always likes this stuff. I mean, just trust me. I sent it to my grandma and she's like, "This is so cool. I have no idea what you're talking about." But yeah, Bitcoin's cool. I'm just kidding. Anyways, let's explain eip1559. So we're going to use a water bottle. So basically what happens is you have a water bottle. Okay, you have a cup. And this, the little transaction street things, like the little blocks that they actually have them on txstreet.com if you guys want to check it out. They have little buses. You can look at it like a bus. And with the base fee, you're automatically going to have 50% of it full. So there is going to be an automatic base fee. So with that base fee, it is going to be your bottle. And it's half full. Okay, we got a full water bottle right here. Let's drink it half. Alright, so we're half full. And what happens is this base fee. Great. Now we're going to have some transactions coming up. You have it's algorithmic, whatever. You know what I mean. I just can't say the word. So it's 50% full. So now we have guys putting in transactions. Okay, we're getting really, really full. Okay, so now next block, it'll never be full, by the way. Okay, so fine. Next block, we're going to have to reduce this. So we're going to make it 50% again. Or you just increase the fee of the transactions. So when you increase the fee, that automatically decreases the amount of transactions that are in it. Boom. Decrease. Now we're back to 50%. Wait. Now we're back to 50%. Okay, great. Now we got more, because now the base fee has changed because we just increased the fee. So now to make it 50%. So now once it's 50%, we got more transactions coming in. It always looks to say at 50%. All right, now we're getting tons of transactions. Okay, great. Now we got to increase the fee again. Okay, now the base fee is increased. Goes down. But now we have way less transactions this time. So now we're really, really empty. Okay, fine. We'll just decrease the base fee. Let's go ahead and pour more water in. The reason why decreasing and increasing changes the level of water, because it's just like staking. When people are staking rewards, you earn like 10%. Great, awesome. Now when it's 5%, more people are like, it's not that great. I'm going to just sell for profits. And it goes back up to 10%. Then they're like, I guess I should stake because 10% is really good. Same thing happens. It's just like yields or bonds in the stock market. They increase when less people are getting them, and they decrease when more people are getting them. Supply and demand. So now that you guys got the little water bottle trick, I got my hydration. Now, why is this important? Okay, so people can tip in order to speed up their transaction. With the base fee in this network, it really doesn't matter because your transaction is going to go through that in the block. I wouldn't recommend tipping unless you really need it between that 3 second. And if someone's trying to participate in arbitrage right in that block, then it'll be in your best incentive to tip. But other than that, really wouldn't recommend it. So the base fee is always going to be burned. Now people are like, oh, it's going to be de-inflationary. Yeah, how's it going to be de-inflationary? Well, this is how it's going to be de-inflationary. So you have a steady rate of Ethereum inflation every year. It's about 4%, 3% or something like that. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. Can't remember off the top of my head, but I know it's relatively small. But Ethereum is constantly going up. But if everyone's making a transaction on this and these base fees are burning these tokens, eventually the burn rate is going to outpace the inflation rate, which causes it to go down. So now the miners don't like this because normally they'd get the base fee and they're going to make bank on it. That's why the miners are really, really upset. Makes sense too, because that's like, hey, you were getting paid $15 an hour, so now we're going to pay you $5 an hour because we can do that. Okay, you can understand. But maybe the miners will understand, hey, it's burning, so the value, the precious ETH that we're getting is actually going to be worth more, and maybe these guys will be feeling like they're at a high-end restaurant and tip us pretty well, but hey, we'll see what happens. So, with the base fee being burned, okay, well, that's interesting. How does this change the gas fees? So, it's not necessarily going to guarantee lower gas fees, but it'll give a better estimation of the transaction cost, so it'll increase the user experience and make it a lot better. So a lot of people are like, oh, well, I'll send a transaction for 5 gwei because I only want to send $3 on the transaction when you should be sending like $80, because if you don't, your transaction is going to be sitting there for, well, until the bull market's over, because I don't think it's ever going to hit 1 gwei in like long time. But anyways, you got to understand it's basically the cost of doing business. That's just trading. That's how it works. So it's kind of like, well, with the base fee, it's basically going to say, okay, you're required to pay this amount. You can't pay any less. I mean, you can wait a couple days if it goes down, but still, you cannot pay any less than that. You have to pay the base fee. If you want to pay a little more, you can add a tip in, go for it, but it'll make the UX or UI pretty sustainable and really nice. So just keep that in mind. And that's why they call it eip1559. Ethereum Improvement Proposal. And yeah, you guys can understand that. Let me see if there's anything else. Yeah, that's really the main thing you guys need to know. So it's got the burning. That's why people are liking it. The miners are hating it because they're dipping in their pockets. And, well, you have the 50%, so that's how it works. It'll never be full, so it automatically gets some more and more transactions. Never ever be full because it's that A word, algorithmic. I'll figure out how to say it. Just leave it in the comments below. But anyways, guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys learned about EIP 1559. We're going to leave you guys with the most important part of this. And if I brought any value to you guys, smash out the likes, subscribe to the channel, share, send it to grandma, poppy, mommy, join the Digi Squad in the Telegram chat. We're going to leave you guys with the best part. Proverbs chapter 26 verses, I believe, oh, no internet. What the pants? No. All right, guys, we got a timeout. We got to wait for a second. Proverbs chapter 26. Come on, bro. There we go. Dinosaur. He loaded it like a beast. Proverbs chapter 26 verses 20. Without wood, a fire goes out. Without a gossip, a quarrel dies down. As charcoal to embers and as wood to fire, so is a quarrelsome person for kindling strife. Guys, don't be that guy. I know I do that sometimes. I mean, especially when I get a customer who's just ripping me up. But guys, remember, don't do it. It's not worth it. It's something you shouldn't be doing. You don't want to poke fingers. You don't want to pick fun. You don't want to cause them to, hey, bro, I'm going to like blow you up. It's almost like a little kid. When they're at the store, they beg mom, they say, hey, I want this candy. I want this candy. Mom's like, no, put it down. They just keep going, I want this candy. I want this candy. Bro, put it down. And then they're like, I want this candy. I want this candy. Bro, I'm going to whip your buns. And then it's like, the kid might be like flying across the aisle. But don't be that person, guys. Just kind of, you got 2 ears, 1 mouth. Be patient. Be kind. Be loving. And yeah. Thanks for tuning in, guys. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up.